Siri, Apple's very own personal assistant, was launched a decade back with iPhone 4S in October 2011. On the iPhone, it started out as a third-party application. Here, Siri's primary intent was to make reservations or guide you to entertainment. Back in the day, it worked most of the time and it did amaze users. And even the makers promised that it will understand users just like a real person. But a decade later, has Siri still got it? I mean, if you put Siri head to head with personal assistants, the likes of Alexa and Google Assistant that came after Siri, where does Siri stand? Let's begin on a positive note. It performs most of the tasks thrown at it with a considerable amount of accuracy. Based on personal experience, it works just fine when you ask Siri to set timers, make searches, or even take notes, quite what you would expect from its counterparts. But oftentimes, when you challenge it with a trivial question like, "What are the copyright laws in my country?" or something whose answer can't be given in black and white, Siri would probably return with, "I have found this on the web," or worse, you would probably be told that, "I don't have an answer." That would be a put off, considering that you would have probably fired a real assistant for doing that, for not giving you the answer you expect. However, Apple's own executives defend this by saying that Siri is engineered to get things done. You can ask Siri to text or email on your behalf, and most of the time it will do it. And as for trivial questions, it might not give you the exact answers like Google Assistant or Alexa do. We will get down to this a little later. A criticism that Siri often has to bump into is that it is not that accurate when it comes to catching hold of accents. We don't deny that in some instances this could be true, but it would be safe to say that with the recent updates, Siri has started to understand and interpret accents in a much better manner, as can be seen from this clip. No doubt, we have come a long way in technological advancements, but we or digital personal assistants, for that matter, are far from understanding the complexities of language. Now, let's again get to the part where we left, and that is Amazon's Alexa and Google Assistant outshine Siri when it comes to understanding context or even getting more useful results. Again, this is not completely false. But have you ever thought about what makes Google Assistant and Amazon's Alexa so precise? They track you, they have your data, and from a privacy perspective, Apple is more serious. It isn't that Siri hasn't evolved over these years. For starters, Siri is on all Apple devices. It runs as an active personal or virtual assistant on watches, iPhones, iPads, Mac OS devices, Apple TV. Not just that, it even lets you speak to your car via CarPlay or even operate smart light bulbs. Of course, there are plenty of other things you can do. Though users do report glitches on and off, but with every update, Siri is becoming smarter. To exemplify some more positives, with iOS 11, Siri has become better at translating, supporting their party actions, or handling follow-up questions. Then with the advent of iOS 15, Siri can perform certain actions even if you don't have an active internet connection. There is a long way to go before Siri, or for that matter, any virtual assistant, completely understands the complexities of human language and emotions. What do you think? If you have been an iOS user and have been using Siri for quite some time, do let us know how your relationship has been in the comment section below. Till then, stay tuned with us.